How you going, legends? Big bald bearded bloke here. For those with problems opening their barn door, I just found something that might be wrong with yours too. It was wrong with mine. So this little black thing here, I've got two little like tabs. Now my top tab had popped out like that. Not quite as bad as that. And it was actually flattened down a lot. So got some pliers. Did a bit of this. And it brought the ridge back up again. So it's about the same as the bottom one now. And put it all back together. And get the top one in first. Now, ooh. Ooh. Oh. No lifting, pushing, jiggling, nothing.